Instagram has newly released a feature called auto scroll. So all it does is you don't have to scroll the Instagram reels manually like you do. So what it does is if you open Instagram and if you go to the reel section, and you will find this feature called auto scroll, and if you enable this, then all it does is, let me go to the end of this reel. So once the reel ends, so here you can see it scrolls automatically. So let me go to the end of this reel as well. So once the reel finishes, it scrolls automatically. So to get this feature, all you need to do is go back and open Google Play Store or App Store on your device, and then on bottom of your screen you will find this option of search. So tap on it, then tap on the search box located on top of your screen, then search for Instagram. So here you will find this option, it's called to update the app. So all you need to do is simply update the app. So tap on update, and once the app is updated, just go back and check on Instagram if you have like auto scroll feature on end of your settings. Like just tap on this three dot icon here, and then you must see this feature called auto scroll. If it still doesn't appear here, then all you need to do is uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it. What it does is it updates your app to the latest version Instagram has provided. So this is how you can get auto scroll feature on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.